Hello and welcome to a review of IFS Markets. This is a market broker that is based out of Australia with offices in St. Vincent and the Grenadines as well as Dubai. They are not able to take Australian clients or American clients, which is a bit strange, but that is due to the way that they are set up structurally, would be the most common reason. When you look at IFX markets, they you can click on Y and it tells you that they have institutional pricing and liquidity in over 50 currencies, for example. You can click on the trading tab and see that Forex indices and commodities are all present. So you can click on Forex. It shows you, obviously it is a MetaTrader 4 platform. So most of you should be able to handle that rather easily. You can hedge. You can run both long and short position. The available leverage is 1 to 100 or 1 to 400 if you have the confidence to trade like that. Autofills through a non-dealing desk environment. The minimum transaction size is 1,000 of a base currency, so that helps with smaller traders. The indices that are available through the platform, through the MetaTrader 4 platform, allows the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, the ASX 200, and some other minor ones. This gives you exposure to various markets around the world. And then when you click on commodities, it gives you the ability to trade commodities. The commodities are the basics: gold, silver. In the platform, you can see that the leverage is a little different. It's 1 to 50 in silver and 1 to 100 in gold. Silver is an extraordinarily volatile contract, so that's not a huge surprise. And as mentioned previously, MetaTrader 4 is the main platform. There is the web trader. You sign in, and it's simply just a stripped down web version of trading, so you can monitor positions anywhere with an internet connection. The accounts that clients can choose from are the typical standard and pro versions. So that gives you the ability to either use a variable spread with commission, which means it's a tighter spread, or a variable spread that has their commission built in. You can trade everything in both, so it's not, you're not being punished one way or the other depending on how you choose to go with this. No minimum deposit, same leverage, everything available. The payment methods are wide and varied, and as you can see, if you click on clients, you can go to for example, deposit and withdrawal will give you basically the same page, and it shows you all of the various vendors that you can use, or bank transfers: Poly, Skrill, NetTeller, FastPay, Alipay, all of the usual suspects here, DragonPay, Bitcoin, etc. Trading resources, there isn't a whole lot here. There's news, there's platform, videos, things like that. Really not a lot going forward. It's not a place where you're going to get your education if you're a new trader. But if you already know what you're doing, then you number one probably have plenty of exposure to MetaTrader 4 ecosystem, and therefore should feel right at home here.